This is the series Shopify promotion, Grow with BOGOS app. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to add an upsell section on your Shopify store using this Search and Discovery app. Let's get started. First, understand the app. The Shopify Search and Discovery app is completely free, so go ahead and install it. Once you open the app, focus on the recommendations section, where all your upsell setup happens. You'll then see these two columns, and the app will naturally suggest products based on what customers are viewing or buying, making upselling feel helpful, not pushy. In particular, complementary products are the items that are frequently bought together with the main product. Related products are products similar to the main product and can replace it, like different types of face wash, but same items to wash face. Also, there's a doc link below for you to read more. Now, let's come to the 2 ways to upsell with Search and Discovery app. Method 1, upsell on product page only. For a free solution, Shopify allows you to suggest related items to the main item above at the end of your product page like this. If customers are interested, they can click on a product, which will redirect them to its product page where they can add it to their cart. But please note that this method doesn't allow you to add a discount to motivate customers to buy more. It simply suggests add-on products at full price. To set it up, there are 2 main steps. Step 1, check whether your theme supports the related products section. First, go to your Shopify dashboard, then navigate to Themes under Online Store. Click on Customize. Then, you'll be redirected to your theme editor. Switch from the home page view to the default product page. If you see a section called Related Products, your theme supports this feature. Then, click on Here's to customize the heading and layout to your preference. If you don't see it, click Add section and search for it. If you still can't find it, that means your theme doesn't allow you to add this section. Then, move to our method 2 of this video. Step 2. Let's decide which products show up in your Related Products section using this free Shopify Search and Discovery app. Click on Recommendations, then click Add Recommendation. First, browse for the product you want to add recommendations for. For example, I'll choose this shampoo. Next, customize your related products. By default, Shopify uses AI to automatically recommend products. If you don't want these auto-suggestions, simply turn on Hide Auto-Generated Recommendations. If you want to add what you want, click Browse and select the products. When you're done, click Save. Your frequently bought together section is now live. Let's click View here to check it out. Scroll to the end of the page. Now your frequently bought together section is displayed beautifully. Method 2, upsell on product, checkout, thank you page through Widget. If you want a way to easily choose product variant, then add upsell products to cart directly through a widget on the product page without being redirected to other pages like Method 1, or need a way to upsell on more pages like checkout page or thank you page. In this case, many recommend combining Shopify Discovery app with a third-party app, and in the upsell category here, you'll see BOGOS, the top-rated promotion app with more than 2,000 reviews. Once you install BOGOS app for your store, go to BOGOS dashboard, then All Offers, then click on Create Offers. Start with Upsell Offer. You will see the 3 upsell types BOGOS is currently supporting. For example, I'll go with Frequently Bought Together. After filling in all the upsell information and choose the upsell trigger you want, which means the condition to trigger the upsell section to customers, you'll dive into customizing which products will appear on your upsell widget in Upsell method. Among 3 methods here, click Auto. BOGOS will automatically sync with Search and Discovery app's data to display upsell products. It's more advanced because BOGOS lets you choose that it'll take data from complementary or related products, not just related only like Method 1. If you want to dive deeper into setting up all 3 upsell types, check out the tutorial link below. Now, I bet you're ready to take your upsells to the next level. Then utilize 7 free-day trial link in the description to try BOGOS out right now. If possible, keep your promotions fresh by switching between gifts, bundles, upsells, and discounts. You can utilize BOGOS app since it supports all 4 promotion types. Thanks for watching. It's the series Shopify Promotion, Grow with BOGOS. We are BOGOS, your powerful promotion app on Shopify.